Also, before you leave the aircraft, make sure you have all of your personal belongings, as it is impossible to get back on the aircraft once you've left it. We'll be arriving at the Queen's Terminal, Terminal 2. All passengers are required to go through our immigration and or if you're on flight connections. And of course, if you have a U.S., Canadian, South Korean, and other Australian, New Zealand passports, you can just use the e-gates. Any other gates, you have to go to the other gates. Once you pick up your bags, you'll go through the customs hall, and then you'll be free to take either ground transportation or your own vehicle. We'd just like to remind you that this has been the safest portion of your journey today. So welcome to London. Please drive safe on the motorways. It's been our pleasure to have you on United today. We hope to see you again in the coming schedule. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.